So everybody knows exactly how the shot will turn out before it's taken. With all of these different experiences, the Z Fold 2 is designed to give you more creative control than ever before. The Fold was designed for people who live life to the fullest, people who hold themselves to a high standard and expect the same of their devices. Users who want a large screen experience on a smaller, more flexible form factor. Multitaskers who want to make the most out of every minute. Fold users who have told us that once they've experienced multitasking on a wide, flexible display, they can't go back to using a regular smartphone. You can already use up to 3 apps at once and activate multi-active window by dragging and dropping. We even optimize the UI, so you can resize and reconfigure the windows however you want. And with the updates to One UI 2.5, Galaxy Fold users will be able to enjoy these enhancements as well. For those who do a day's work from the Z Fold 2, the productivity experience is paramount. But so are the flexibility and convenience that this unique form factor makes possible. Now you can access your most frequently used apps with a single touch with App Pair. Let's say you have some apps that you usually use together. Now you can create a shortcut that launches them all at once. For me, that's YouTube, Chrome, and Messages. You can rearrange the apps and they will automatically adjust themselves to fit. And if you use a custom layout often, you can save it on an app's edge for immediate access. At Samsung, we're reimagining the entire smartphone experience, from the design of the phone to the way you use it.